I don't know who want to hear this, but if you are a C-section mother and you are having back pain, you need to listen to this, because in next 1 minute I'm going to explain why exactly you're having back pain in a very simplified way. Yes, I'm Dr. Nini. I am founder of C-section transformation program, and let's find out why exactly you're getting that back pain after C-section. So see, here is our abdomen. And in your abdomen, if you observe, we literally do not have any bony structure here to support our abdomen in our front and in our sides. But where do have one is our spine. Lots of muscles, spinal bodies are there. Inside that, the spinal cord is there. Now, what is happening when we are having our baby inside our body? Our baby, as it grows towards third trimester, our baby pushes our diaphragm up. It, separates. It puts pressure on our deep abdominal muscles, our core muscles, our even abdominal muscles get separate. It puts pressure on our deep pelvic floor muscles. And what's happening once this pressure, because of this pressure, this all muscles, they lose their function. And what is exactly the role of this muscle? The role of this muscle is to handle our pressure. Where when we stand up for a longer time, when we carry our weight, when we bend forward, this is all the function of these muscles when they are healthy. But now after postpartum, after your C-section, because of your stitches and all this muscle have lost their function. This all pressure which is generating while carrying your baby, while walking for a longer time, while sitting for feeding, while carrying your baby, while bending forward, this all pressure which is generated, it is getting hit back to your stable spine, because there is no bones but just a backbone which we call as our spine. And that's where exactly we need to work. Rather than blaming our back, rather than just focusing what is happening with my back, there is nothing wrong with your back, but over the time something has traumatized your back again and again, because your these muscles has got weak. And there is one fact: unless and until you work on strengthening these muscles are not going to get strengthened. And that's where all these things come. If you have C-section, you will get back pain for a longer time. And here is the truth, because we always blame our back, but we never work on the muscles which are taking off that pressure from our spine. So if you are a C-section mother or any postpartum mother who is facing this back pain related issues, there is nothing wrong with your back, but the muscles we need to build, the core we need to build. So if you are one who stayed till here, dear must stay fit, and let's start working on that core. Stay fit.